So guys, welcome to Northampton Bike Park. So we've just been here all day. Yep, recording. So you can see, I don't know if you've seen this bit, but you've got a nice skills area here. You've got a few tabletops, a few rollers, a few nice berms, and then right in front, right there, you've got the massive black line. And just over to our right hand side is where the blues and the reds drop in, and then just behind those bushes is where the dual area is. So if you come in and stay left, that takes you on the green, and then we're going straight at the push-up. Let's do this. So we cut a little bit of that push-up up. So we're just arriving at the top. As you can see, the trails dropping from the start point. You got blue none to the left, and then we take you up west trails. We've got blue nun just off to the left. Get you looking there. Blue nun to the left, great fun. We'll be going down that one first. Then we've got A45 straight in front, and then to the right we have the black runs. So you've got jet black and cherry bomb. Very big jumps, very good fun. So we're going to drop in on blue nun. Shane's going to lead the way.
No pressure.
Let's do this. So start off on the start ramp. We drop in, little pump bump. Go to little pump bump into a lovely berm, a little pop. Takes you into a little uphill. Few pedals. Go out on the e-bike. Then we come into some nice rollers. Another little double. Lovely by Shane. Pump and pump. Put into a nice right hander. Put into a nice left. That's fast. That is fast. If we stay left, lovely tabletop here. We're going to go big. It's a bit windy. And another one. Oh yes. And we go back into pumps. Takes us into a lovely left-hander. Into a swoopy right. And that is the end of your blue nun. Let's go back up. Get on the road. Right, the heart rate has gone down. We're going to drop in on A45 now. It's a red run. Shane's going to be up front again. And we'll be dropping in whenever the guy's ready.
Okay.
Yeah, leave you a good distance. So into a little high swoopy left, into a right, straight to the tapes, pop it, get some nice air, into a little lip, into a shark fin, into big tapes. There you go fast, pop it, clean it, on the cranks, go fast, and pop big. Oh, a bit short, headwind. 3. There we go. There we go. Bring it in, dude. Boom. Okay then guys, so something that you probably haven't seen that is here at the Northampton Bike Park is the 1460. How do you say it? 1460?
1460.
1460 dual track. So what we're going to do, I'm going to drop in with Shane. I'm going to let Shane go ahead a little bit, just so it's a bit more interesting to watch. Basically, we've got rollers into a berm, into a hop on, hop off, and then into a second berm, into a nice big swoopy right finish. So, you ready, Shane? Watch the gate. Riders ready? Watch the gate. Beep! So we're coming to some rollers. Shane's gonna go inside. And it was inside, you can hit his feet low. Then you can pop. Chasing him, swap lanes. And we're round. And we finished. Oh. So if you head right at the bottom of the pump track, the dual track, sorry, you will come into something called the East Trails. So this takes you onto some of the more mellow but really good fun trails. We didn't know this was here, we accidentally found it. So we're going to take it out a few of the runs. But this place is really good for all types of ability, whether you're learning, you just got a mountain bike, right the way up to actually being able to send it and throw some tricks. There's been some awesome riders here today, and yeah, it's a little bit of everything. And a little bit of news for you. Actually, no, we're going to put at the end. Keep watching, we've got some wicked news for you. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. And yeah, we're going to take you up to the green. Little bit of a climb. We go up that hill basically, and we'll get back to you. Yo. Okay, so we're nearing the end of the little climb. It's not too tasky, it's a green climb. And this brings you to the top of East Trails. It's all signposted. Fantastic little map at the top to show you where that is. So there's your map. And then you've got Double Bogey, which is a green run, which we're going to end on. You've got PDQ just over there. Let's just get you a little bit better. So that goes down a few rollers, bit sweepy berms, but our favourite and the one that we are going to ride is Uncle Fester, and it's a great fun. Yeah, there's Uncle Fester himself. Okay, so here we go. Drop it in, Uncle Fester. Good? Yeah, all good, mate. Shane's leading the way again. Make it a bit more interesting so you can see what's happening. He's got the eve, he's quick. He's a nice little double here. You can pump and roll and jump them. Coming into some nice little twisters. Nice berm. Really lay it over. Then it comes into a lovely big right sweeper. You can really lay it over. Then some fun little switches. This is where it gets tight. Bam, bam. Yeah. That's it. Nice little punchy run. Then you come out, you stay right. And then back up the climb again, which takes you back to the top. And then we're going to end on the other green run, which we haven't done yet, but looks like great fun. Let's do it. Okay, so this is our first run down this. So Double Bogey, we saved it for the end. It's a green run, but the berms look absolutely awesome. They look massive. So we hope it's going to be good fun. So stay tuned. Shane's going to run back in again, just to make it a bit more interesting, good to watch. We start off on a slight gradient uphill, and then it starts dropping down. So whenever you're ready, Shane, let's do it, mate. Get that e-bike clicked in. He's off. So we're on different bikes. I'm on the new Proof Giga. Shane's on a Merida E160. Big berms, look at that. That is just beautiful. Nice and flowy, nice and wide. Little braking bumps. Flattens out. This is going to be great if you got kids. It's going to be perfect. Up and over another roller. And then we're going to come into some more berms by the looks of it. Carry that speed in. And round. Oh, a little popper. Into another left-hander. He's on him. He's on him. Can he finish? Can he finish? He takes the win! Wow! So guys, that was your tour, quick tour, last minute tour of the new bike park here in Northamptonshire. Northampton? What did I say?
Northampton.
Northampton. So yeah, big shout out to Shane. This man has had no sleep. She later come off a night shift, and yeah, dragged him here pretty much.
Couldn't miss it.
I did. So absolute fantastic bike park. Great for all abilities. If you've got kids, bring them. If you're good at jumping, if you're not good at jumping and you want to practice, it's all here. I mean, Shane, what do you think of it?
Oh, it's absolutely mint. Start on the blues. If you're not confident, start on the blues. Work to the red, then to the black if you want, but it's all comfortable progression. Even for me, I can jump. If I can jump, you can do it.
And don't forget there's a green route, okay? So the green route takes you all the way up. You've just watched us come down the green. It's nice and wide. So if you're brand new to mountain biking or you've got kids, you can have some fun down there. It's a little bit more pedally, but great fun.
But everything's rollable as well.
Everything's rollable. So even the black run, you can roll down it, which is just absolutely bonkers. So you're a dude. So the biggest news is...
Shh, can't tell them.
The biggest news is we just found out that, looking around, make sure no one's listening.
He's going to put it on here.
The biggest news is that Leamington Spa and West Bromwich, the Sandwell Valley, are going to be having this type of trail kind of set up. It's the biggest news ever, and I'm from West Brom, so that's like my hometown. So I know it's going to be wicked. It's going to be great for getting more people riding. It's exactly what they want. The build structure is wicked. We've heard a few little stories that the lips were too high and too steep. They're not.
Nah.
They're just a little bit different to what people are used to. Learn how to jump, get onto a skills course, obviously skillsloop.com. Come and learn how to jump. These places are absolutely awesome. We're so lucky.
It's an hour away from where we live.
1
so
hour.
it's like,
And yeah, the parking, yeah, you know, it's an app at the moment. There's plenty of signs around, so make sure that you pay. Your first hour is free, so if you're here for 2 hours, pay for 1, okay? So your first hour is free. It's all self-explanatory.
and
Oh, go on.
if you're feeling peckish,
Oh yeah.
just round the corner, Costa's, Subway, pizza, Greg's. What more can you want?
Screwfix. So
Well,
just
maybe
in
not.
case.
Those screws are a bit hard, mate.
You've also got the golf club. They've been really, really kind, so they're happy for you to go in, happy for you to use their kind of facilities. We didn't eat there today. We went to Subway. Our taste buds got tingled by this guy going there, and it's like, yeah, we fancy a Subway. But if you want a healthier option, obviously you can go to the golf
course.
club. As I said, they've been really, really nice. They've got toilets in there as well. It is a place for everybody, so you know, give people that bit of space. We've come on a Monday. It's been really quiet today. There's probably been 20 people here all day.
Everybody's friendly and respectful.
Everyone's
Yeah,
really,
it's
really
been
nice.
good.
The builders are still doing fencing and stuff like that, and we do want to give a massive shout out to all the guys that have worked here and are still working here. A few of you I know personally. Absolutely fantastic. You've done a cracking job, so massive thank you. I'm sure that this is going to be here for endless amount of people to go get to ride. So we wasn't planning on doing this. We just thought we'd show you a bit more, because everyone keeps posting all the big jumps and stuff. There's a lot more to this place. We've had a wicked day. We've been here all day. We're knackered. So
we're coming back next week.
we wish, but I do. He probably will.
I will.
Do subscribe if you want. Occasionally I'll post a few kind of skills videos. I don't tend to do many of them, but and then there's all these type of bike park videos, which is always useful for people. So big shout out to this guy for coming to join me.
Always a pleasure, mate. Never a chore.
And yeah, this has been Northampton Bike Park. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.
Get here soon.
Get here, come and ride. Let's have it. Bye.
Bye.